Hello and welcome to another Jonathan 1990 country walk, and today I'm going to be covering a walk in Harwood Dale Forest, so let's get things started. So you start this walk with crossing the Whitby to Scarborough road. Right here you can get across the A171 and head down a track here into Harwood Dale Forest. There they are, stars of the channel, the sheep. Right there. Okay, so I'm just coming to a point where my family used to go logging from 1995 to 1997 when I was a little boy. So yeah, this is it. This was an opening, but since 1995 these trees have grown very tall now. And it used to end just down here a bit. Yeah, you come to like a T-junction and then turn left here. And yeah, where the trees have been cut down here, they used to look just like the ones in the far distance over there. So yeah, I'm following part of the Ravenscar to Wycombe Forest Motorsea cycle route. This walk is one I've made up, and it goes round Harwood Dale Forest in a figure of 8. There aren't any Harwood Dale Forest walks in the books, of course. So you come to the crossroads, which is in the cross paths, which is in the middle of the figure of 8 walk, and continue on straight now on a track. So yeah, this path does get rougher as you go down here. So yeah, the path has got very narrow now. You're just walking through this woodland forest area. So this is the regular path where you used to go, and yeah, it's sunken, has become like a pond now. So yeah, I've come on the new path. So yeah, the new path has like run out, and now you've got to go through it, through here. It's, I don't know, it's got really bad. I don't know. So yeah, just about making it through this muddy path. No, I just ran into this now. It's got worse. A view there over to the sheep. Yeah, I just managed to get my leg over it all. Don't know. I'm at the other side of it. So yeah, I made it through one bit. I think there's another bit coming up just down here. So I got myself through, and hopefully there's a safer bit comes in a bit. And it's pretty much like that as far as I remember for the rest of the walk. So I'm just trying to get another view over Harwood Dale towards Scarborough before I walk away from this bit over there. Oh yeah, you go along here now, following the Ravenscar to Wycombe Forest more to sea cycle route backwards to the crossroads or cross paths, as I keep saying, where the figure of 8 walk crosses. So you start heading down a path here now, which is the more to sea route from Ravenscar to Wycombe Forest backwards, back to the cross paths where the figure of 8 walk crosses. Yeah, just getting to the cross paths now and back to where I was earlier. Just arriving back at the cross paths where I was earlier on in the video. Get another quick shot of this. So yeah, up here now. And as for that other path I just went up, watch where you tread. Lots of people exercise their animals up there and it's full of muck. So yeah, into more trees again now. So you come out by a field here and you just come to a path where you have to turn off, because if you go straight on it'll only take you to a dead end, as I've seen before. So yeah, from here I'm getting views of the sunset over the forest. So yeah, just carry on down here now. Down this path now towards the main road. Turning is just in a little bit. So now it's down this side path and then you cross the main Whitby to Scarborough road again, like at the beginning of the walk, before walking back to Falcon along a road. So yeah, it's down here now to the end of the walk, and there is a fact about this road: it is part of the original A171 before they straightened it. More sheep. Oh yeah, that's the signpost, Statendale 2, Ravenscar 2.5, and the Falcon there. And of course I'm back on the more to sea cycle route that goes from Ravenscar to Wycombe Forest. So I've just arrived back at the Falcon and I'm just about to end the video here with a few words. And so that brings today's video to an end and the walk. Sure glad I didn't do it with the person I was with yesterday. If you want to find out why that is, I suggest you go back and watch the Thorntondale to Ellerburn walk. So there may or may not be a video Friday, as it is my dad's day. and he supports it. Depends on what mood he's in. If not, again, there may or may not be one on Tuesday, but I feel like things are going to get a bit crazy with that new programme. So if all that doesn't happen, same time next week, Wednesday. So until then, it's bye for now.